Hello everyone, happy Halloween Eve. Now since tomorrow is Halloween, I want to recreate the cat look that I did for last weekend. If you know me and ask me to get dressed up, you know I'm gonna go all out. But since I didn't have time to go out and get what I needed, I wanted to just recreate this a look with what I have and wanted to keep it simple. So if you want to see how I created the cat look, just keep on watching. So the first thing you need for this look is a basic black t-shirt. This is not the t-shirt I was wearing last weekend, but it is black, so I just put it on for the look. And also I did recreate two buns to hide behind the cat ears, but for today I'm going to go for a single bun and just hold it in with a hairspray. This is the Monet hairspray from it's a light to medium hold, and it doesn't leave your hair hard or sticky or anything like that, so it's a really good hold. And then now we're gonna go into the makeup look. For applying my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my primer. This is the Origins Original Skin, the Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. Put some in your hands and apply it all over your face. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation. You could use any foundation of your choice. This is in the color M1 by NARS. And I'm going to apply it everywhere onto my face, including my eyebrows. Okay, if you need more foundation, I look a little scary right now. Apply a little on my neck. Want to make sure the foundation blends in with your neck as well. My hairline, translucent powder in Honey. And I like to first pat it underneath my eyes. I don't like to bake. I just like to pat them up. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just apply the rest onto my face. Okay, so for the next look, I'm going to go in with my Jumbo Stick Pencil in Milk. This is by NYX. I have purchased this a couple of years ago in a beauty supply store. I'm not sure if they still carry it, but if they do, again, it's by NYX. If not, you could just purchase any white eyeshadow, creamy eyeshadow pencil. So what I'm going to do is going to apply it on the upper lip, and then center of my nose, and bring it up. And then what I'm going to do is with my finger, I'm going to spread it out. And if you always need more, you could just apply more. Next, I'm going to apply my bronzer and contour. So with bronzer, I'm going to go in with NARS. This is in Laguna. For contour, I'm gonna go in with NARS Samoa in Matte. I like to blend it into my hairline. and then brush my hair afterwards. Okay, and I'm going to take another pencil. I'm going to go back in with I'm going to take another pencil and go back in with the matte Mars, and I'm going to create this shadow look around my nose. And bring it up. Okay, I want a really precise look line here. So I'm going to go in my blending beauty blender and create that line. Split it out a little bit. Okay. Now for the fun part, creating whiskers and eyebrows. So I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner. This is a tattoo liner by Kat Von D, and I'm going to create, let me get in position. I'm gonna create 4 dots and then 3 whiskers. Okay, for the whiskers, I like to use a light hand and just pray that I won't mess up because I can't take it off. So, and then it is what it is. So I like to start high. Middle, I don't like to match it up with this line. I like to bring it out a little bit. And then for the bottom, kind of match it up with the first one and bring it down. Okay, and then for the other side. Okay, for the eyebrows, you can't go wrong with this. So I'm going to use a stroking technique to bring it up and out. Let me get my mirror on the side. Okay. I'm going to create hair-like strokes. One more. Okay, and last but not least, where's the top? I'm going to go in with another jumbo pencil, same by NYX, and this one is called Black Bean. And you're going to create that little, you're going to create a little nose. I almost forgot. Next, I'm gonna go in the Kat Von D. This is a liquid lip gloss in, it's called Witches. Look at that. So I'm just gonna apply it to my top lip. You could use a pencil. You could also use a lip pencil to outline the lip, but I don't have a true black lip pencil, so I'm just gonna use this. I have to let this dry, but I can't really tell because the tough part about this is the black. This black will transfer onto the bottom lip. See? So I got to start again. So if you could find a black lip, if you could find a black lip gloss that will stay in place, purchase it. So I'm also going to create a little line out. And if you mess up, just attach the line to the lip. And then when you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Okay, and to finish this look, cat ears. I'm not too crazy about the blue, purple, iridescent look, so I'm just gonna turn it around. And there you have it. Meow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you and happy Halloween.